Fireworks you can see from Carthay Circle there. We've gone on, let's see, what have we gone? Yeah, we went on Finding Nemo, then we went on Mr. Toad real quick, and now we're sitting down here waiting for Paint the Night.
I'll have you know, it's not even an hour before. It's about 6:50. It starts at 8:15.
Yeah, I mean, people just get so used to. See, the problem is, like, some people started sitting out for the parade, then other people like, oh, I want to get my seat. Then everyone just kind of like upped the ante of how early they want to sit down. So, you know, the cast members didn't used to stop you how early you sat down, but you know, I think they changed early last year. Yeah.
They changed it because Main Street Electrical Parade, like, you know, being the Main Street Electrical Parade.
So they're like, oh, you can't get out here that early. You can only get out X amount of time. I forget it was an hour and a half, 2 hours, but I haven't really seen it being enforced recently. There haven't been any parades, but like for the fireworks, people were there over 2 hours when I was there the other day.
Oh, bigger.
Yeah, so.
Here comes the trolley.
Oh yeah, trolley. Yeah, we're gonna watch Paint the Night and maybe eat at award winners, which is right up there. Anyway, we'll checking a bit closer to the show or after the show. We'll see. I might just be eating and then resting.
Yay! It's like a drink. Sure, we're here. You Paint the Night?
Yeah.
No, it's not just the hot chocolate.
Oh, I'm supposed to fall asleep. There's still jazzercise in there. Did you enjoy Paint the Night?
Can we do this again? Yay! I confess, it's not the same as when I was here.
Well, yeah. First of all, it was here. It's always a better place for parades, I think.
Yeah.
Second, they were missing the Frozen, which I know because like it would have been too tall for the trolley wires. And I swear, I think Pluto used to be at the end, but
See Pluto?
yeah, there was Donald, there was Goofy, and then was Minnie, and of course Mickey at the end. But like, I felt like there was a Pluto before.
I think I know what you mean, but
I don't know, 100%. I have to look at like an old video, but yeah.
I was here for the Diamond anniversary, which is circa 2015.
Yeah. And obviously, as you can see, we're waiting for fireworks. This time, I'm way back here. I wanted to see what it looked like from Main Street.
Together forever. Yay!
It's funny because right after, or right during, when the parade was going on, DCA closes. I don't know why it closes so early, but it seems to. And then everyone's just like a huge line to get in. I should have filmed some of that.
The mass exodus.
Yeah, it looked like a morning line because they don't have that many turnstiles open, and everyone just came over because there's nothing else to do with DCA. This will be Julie's first time seeing Pixar Together Forever. Crystal's seen it. I've seen it.
We shall see.
You'll get to see it.
Impressions to follow.
Indeed. Oh, one more thing about Paint the Night, actually. They're going to be adding the Incredibles float, but they haven't added it yet. So it does feel like there's something missing because Frozen's missing. But I don't know. They're adding it sometime in June, but I don't know if our passes will be valid.
Not likely our passes will be up.
Yeah, I think it's later in June, so our passes will be up like in early June. But hey, now I'll do what I can do.
And for those inquiring, Pixar Fest runs until about September or so.
Yeah.
So.
Cool. Now it's time to wait for fireworks. So what was your impression of the Pixar Together Forever fireworks?
It's lovely. Yay!
I know you haven't seen a lot of those movies,
No,
actually.
I haven't seen Cars 2 or Cars 3 or Inside Out or Up or, well, The Incredibles hasn't come out yet.
Sure.
But other than that.
Yeah, that was a lot of them.
Yeah.
I do like when you see the house from up flying behind the castle and Buzz too at the beginning. Reminds me of Tinkerbell.
First trip and beyond.
Yes, exactly. And the fireworks themselves are good. The projections are nice. I do prefer being in front of the castle though. But if you want that, you're gonna have to be there pretty early. We're gonna try to get one more ride here on Pirates because you know that's gonna be closing or
We wants the red.
Yeah, going down for refurbishment pretty soon. I'm not sure if Julia will be able to make it back in time.
Oh, great.
So,
Special.
yeah. I'm gonna try to, but I can't guarantee that I will. So
Let's say much for the audience at home.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. We want the redhead.
Here's 6. Who makes it 6? I'm not sponging for rum. It be gold I'm after. Strike your colors, you brazen wench. No need to expose your superstructure.
Hurry up, boy. Come on now.
He wants the redhead. He wants the redhead.
Come on, everybody. Here we go. Off to Neverland.
There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, straight out for more.
Cast off for London. Pixie dust.
Did you enjoy Peter Pan?
Yes. Although it always surprises me how long the wait is considering how short the ride is.
Well, it's only 2 across, unlike Snow White or Pinocchio. And you know, Toad is 2 across, but a lot of people don't know who Toad is. We were some of the last people to ride. I think there's, everyone's on the ride right now. There's no more people in the queue. Yeah.
That's a midweek night.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So we did a quick ride on Winnie the Pooh. After a couple rides on Pirates, and then Peter Pan there. Anyway, good night, yeah.